Hi and welcome to my Tunisian cooking channel. Today we're making mermez. Mermez is onion sauce. Very delicious. It's easy to make and a quick. We need. You're just gonna put a pan with oil in it, and then we need 3 big onions or 4 big onions, depends how much you're making. And then we need 3 tomato. Cut them in cubes like that, and then we put them first. That's where we're gonna put the onion first and the tomatoes, and we're just gonna put seasoning. We're gonna put turmeric, and then salt. And today we're making mermez with chicken. You can make it with meat if you like, beef or lamb. Today we're making it with chicken, and then after that we just put the chicken. We're gonna saute them all together in the beginning. Keep mixing like that till the season and everything get, observed together. So the first seasoning only turmeric and salt. Now we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoon of tomato paste, or even 1 tablespoon is good. Over there I added chickpeas. The one I have is the one you buy and you soak it and you use it. But if you're gonna use the can, don't put it until like maybe in the middle, halfway cooked. When the mermez is halfway cooked, then you add the chickpeas. But otherwise, if you're gonna use the same thing, the one I have, the one you soak in the water and then you use it, that one you put in the beginning because it takes time to cook. Now we're gonna add coriander powder, 2 teaspoons, or maybe 1 teaspoon, because the teaspoon, the one I have, is very small. Keep mixing, and then we're gonna add the water. Then don't add too much because it's chicken and it cooks right away. It doesn't take time like the meat. If you like it spicy, you can add harissa, hot sauce, or you can add chili pepper or hot paprika. You can use any of those. So you just let it cook like that until absorb all the water and the oil start coming out, and then you put a pepper. Gives it like good flavor. So this is it. It's all done. That's the bread I make at home. Tabouna is called tabouna. It goes very good together. I will leave the link for it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you do, don't forget to give me a like and share and subscribe. And I see you in next video. Enjoy. Bye bye.